Yo, what's up y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, that boy Fred gonna be vlogging. This is his video. He got hooked up, part of the squad now, MPC squad. So this video is gonna be all narrated and directed by yours truly, Badman Fred.
Yo, chill, bro.
What? You got this, dog. So without further ado, we're gonna start the install of, well, first off, what do we got, Fred? What we got in the box, bro?
Alright, check me out. This is the welcome kit.
All right.
You know,
okay.
MPC.
Oh.
Big shout out to Spencer. Shout out to Mark, Honda Street Garage.
Yeah. I ain't even get one of these, dog. That's crazy. It's all good though. It's all
part
good.
of the family, that's what.
That's probably what it is.
No.
Oh, that's nice. That's a ooh.
That's a black boy right there.
What?
It's black.
But it's a black boy? That's kind of racist, dog.
Man, low key. Alright.
What we got? What we got? What this here? These look like drop forks, playboy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, you feel me?
Drop forks. Okay.
Gives you a 2-inch drop so you can raise up the car.
And the thing about it is, it helps with suspension travel, so you won't have to be blowing your shocks as much. So these actually, even if you don't lower your car, it'll still help with suspension travel. So you'll have longevity of your coilovers. Oh, what's that, dog?
Yeah, but these are for the shock towers. You know,
What?
brace it up.
Damn, pimpin'. These are my beautiful I Love Driving Slow shades. Y'all go to Winterfest this Saturday.
That's you probably stole.
Oh,
These are drop forks.
purple?
No,
Oh.
I mean the lower
The lower control arm.
control arm
Yeah.
drop, 2-inch also.
You going stance boy, dog?
No, I might go like 16 by 10 and a half with a negative 12.
All right. Might get into your head, bruh.
What? Yo, dog, and it might not get to the edge, dog.
Oh, what this is? This look like the subframe brace.
Indeed.
Indeed it is. Oh man, installing that, oof, it was hard for me. That's it, boy, that's that thing right there. Go ahead and expose that long thing for me for the vlog.
Yo, dog, and see, this is why I don't want to talk, bro. Because you come in here with your fishness, dog, and dog, I can't deal with that fucker, dog.
But look how long it is. That shit nice. And it's stable.
Yo, move up. That's how that bad boy look.
Yep, full.
You know,
Give y'all some dope cinematics.
thanks to
we
homie, you know, he blessed me with this.
Oh yeah, I gave Fred my tie bar because it wouldn't fit on with my setup with the diffuser. So that boy got a brand new, only installed once, but tie bar to go with this new rear suspension setup. So, all right, Fred, let's get this vlog poppin' lacking. Go ahead and take over.
All right, so first thing first, take off the fucking wheel.
You can't curse, bro. I made it on Sony Vegas. Go ahead and curse. You good?
All right,
I'll bleep it out. Should be funny.
yeah, but take off the wheel. These are all 14s. And we also doing some camera kits that I had a while back.
Hey, let me get him, bro.
Dog, can get your mama. All right, so.
God damn. That shit is trash. God, man, you about to die driving. God damn.
So we go with that. Driver.
You know your car about to be hella low, right? I just want you to know that. When I put them on the Civic, dog, dumped. You should have just got regular ones.
I'm gonna raise it up though.
All right. All right.
Even when you raise it up, it's so low.
It was low, dog, because it's 2-inch drop. You gotta like max out the coilovers to be like.
Well, look how much thread I got left.
I mean, all right, dog. We gon'
Function and form that want to bless me.
They need to bless my RSX. Whoops.
Got some Downstar hardware here. MPC also make hardware too.
What you about to do? How we gonna install it, bro?
Yeah,
you gotta give him instructions.
The subframe brace with a lower tie bar. And Courtesy done this before.
I kinda didn't show him in depth how to install it. So this video will be how you properly install it. I don't know how to follow these directions, but it's not hard as you can see.
What?
Huh?
Dog it out, yo.
What I said? I ain't say
harder on your line, yo.
But it's not hard though. It's easy.
Alright, don't bring the hard thing on me.
I mean, when I did it, it was hard to go in, but I figured it out.
The fucking fish.
Yeah, all the hardware needed, because Fred, you suck at vlogging. Alright, I guess I'm taking over the vlog, man.
Yeah, man, good.
So, what you got, Fred?
What's that?
FedEx? Nothing. Alright, so you have all the hardware needed to install it. These instructions are kind of difficult for me to actually follow because I'm not a picture visual instructional learner. I'm more of a video style learner. So I watched a YouTube video of a guy installing it. But this video that you're watching, I'm gonna actually give you guys a full in-depth install on how to actually do it with using all the brackets needed. If you can't follow these directions, which I don't know how to do because all this stuff looks confusing. You just
left, right, left.
Alright. Figure out how that shit go on the thing then.
Hold on, I got a phone call.
Is that Stranger Things?
Yeah. That's before you buy the RSS from him.
Oh, he calling you right now?
Yeah.
Alright, so the first step, you're going to use your 4 Allen bolts. These right here supplied in your hardware. These go right here, and these 2 holes on the subframe brace, which attaches to these 2 on the brace bracket. And this goes essentially like that. So Fred gonna go ahead and tighten me up real quick. My bad. You know what I mean, bro. Go ahead and get me tight, Fred boy.
Yo, end the video, dog. Cut off the blood clot video. I'm going like y'all back to boy.
Alright, so once you're done with this side, you're gonna start on the other side, and then from there we'll proceed with the next step. So now that Fred has officially got both of them installed, both brackets along with the hardware, we actually have to remove that bolt on both sides to drop that part of the lower control arm so we can attach this bracket. And then what this bracket does is basically like this. I kind of forgot how it goes, but when I get to that part of actually showing y'all how it goes, that's how it goes. Alright? Cool. So this bracket piece right here goes inside of the lower control arm housing for this outer bolt. This basically clips onto a ring up there. So I just put it in there, and there you go. It is in there with the bolt hole that's the bolt thread that's exposed.
This piece you're talking about right here?
Yeah, that piece goes in between the lower control arm. When you put it up there, you'll feel it snap into place. Like it's like a little ring that's inside that it fits right into perfectly fine. That piece go right there. You'll feel it.
Oh, all the way up this one?
Yeah, you gotta go way up there. You'll feel it. I go around this ring piece.
Yo,
you feel it?
I am feel my Honda get pinched. Ah! Alright. Oh, alright, cool.
You felt it go in there?
Yeah.
Hey, my bad, dog. Alright, so now we're gonna mount up the brace using the 12mm bolts provided by MPC. So as you guys can see, it's in there. You guys can't really see, honestly. Sorry about that, dog. But the bracket's in there up top. It's a welded nut on the back, and that's where this bracket sits into. And then this piece right here acts like a spacer. You use one of the 12mm bolts that are provided in your MPC hardware kit, which would be this one right here. You use this one for both of the brackets, and then these go right into these holes right here. And there you go. All right, Fred, we gotta get to working on the front side of things.
Tired.
Tired? Come on, man, we ain't done. We just did the back.
Make sure y'all boys check out MPC, low control arms, subframe brace. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yo, get the camera on the face. Yo, now work.
You got to work the front, work the front, work the front. You ready? Let's do this together. I'm gonna take out a couple nuts. You put the bolts in, And then that's it.
Mario, move up, yo.
So, me and Fred tackled the rear. We got that taken care of.
Yo.
I can say that, dog.
Yo.
I can say that.
Yo.
Me and Fred tackled the rear.
Yo.
Now it's time to do the front.
The rear with no other man. A woman to tackle from the rear, dog. I'm gonna tackle them, yo.
So we're doing the front now. We're gonna tag team the front.
The front with no man.
I'm gonna do the other side. He's gonna do this side. Well, actually, Fred's gonna do it. This is his vlog. So first off, in order to do the but do the drop forks, we gotta remove our OEM forks with a 14 up top and a 17 on the bottom with a nut and that's pretty much it. Once we get these two out, all we'd have to do is knock the fork loose from the shock, as Fred's demonstrating. And that's it. OEM fork out, new fork ready to go in. Look at the difference. This is what you pay for, everybody. Look at that. That's about a 2-inch drop automatically without even messing with the suspension. So, can't go wrong. And it's made in the USA, playboy. Yeah, man. Oh, I gotta take a shit. Bang that John in, Fred. Yeah. Fred beating the hell out that damn rod, right? Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to get the job done. The front should be a 14, bro.
Yeah, no. God damn, your big. Move your blood clot on. Alright.
Alright, look at that. Car's not even lowered yet. About to be lowered now, though. Dump gang. I don't look too bad. Race car. It's gonna do. Wait till you see the front. Wait till you see this front, brethren. Job well done. Fred is MPC'd out. Front and rear control arms are all set in stone. MPC brace bar along with the tie bar. And Fred with his yep, that's it. Where you going? Outside? What? About to go home. Man's phone's on this thing. Yeah, we got a lot of modification to do. A lot. Any last words, Fred? You want to give your thanks to MPC?
Spencer, Mark, I appreciate y'all boys. Family.
And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to follow Fred on Instagram at EGKCoop. Be sure to follow MPC at MPC Motorsports on Instagram. Be sure to check the links in the description box below for their website, the browse and chows and all that stuff. And that's a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.